In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Zoom link using your Calendly account, whether you're scheduling business meetings, interviews, or consultations. Integrating Zoom with your Calendly account can save you time and ensure your attendees have all the details they need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your Zoom account to Calendly, set up personalized meeting types, and share your meeting links effortlessly. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account and navigate to the homepage. Once you're there, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Click on it. This is the area that allows you to connect Calendly with external tools like Zoom to enhance your scheduling experience. Now, you can either scroll through the list of available apps or directly search for Zoom to locate it more quickly. Once you find Zoom, click on it. This step is essential because it begins the process of integrating Zoom with your Calendly account, which will make scheduling virtual meetings seamless. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Zoom account to Calendly. The system will guide you step by step, and you may need to log into your Zoom account to complete the setup. Once this connection is made, Calendly can automatically generate Zoom meeting links for any events you schedule. This is a huge time saver and ensures there's no need to manually create and share meeting links later. Next up, head to the upper left corner of the screen and click on the Create button. This is where you'll set up a new meeting type tailored to your needs. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a one-on-one meeting, which is perfect for personal consultations, interviews, or any other private sessions. Select One-on-One Meeting from the options provided. Once you've selected the meeting type, a new window will appear on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll want to give your meeting a name that clearly reflects its purpose, something like consultation call or project kickoff. Then, set the duration for the meeting. This could be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or any length that suits your needs. Customizing these details ensures the meeting works for both you and your attendees. Now, under the location settings, select Zoom as your preferred meeting platform. By doing this, Calendly will automatically include a Zoom link in the appointment details whenever someone books this meeting type. This eliminates the hassle of manually adding the link yourself. Once you've finished filling out all the details, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the Create button. This step saves everything you've set up and adds the new meeting type to your Calendly account. After creating the meeting, it's always a good idea to preview it to verify that everything is set up just as you intended. Double-check the name, duration, and location to ensure the details are accurate and that the Zoom integration is working properly. When you're satisfied with the setup, look for the Copy Link button in the top corner of the screen and click on it. This copies the meeting's unique booking link to your clipboard, making it easy to share with others. Finally, share the copied link with your attendees. You can send it through email, post it on social media, or share it via any other communication channel you prefer. This link provides your attendees with all the details they need to join the meeting, including the Zoom link, date, and time. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Zoom integrated meeting in Calendly, and now you know how to share the link with your attendees. By following these steps, you can streamline your scheduling process and focus more on what matters most, your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.